after doing some pipe work and you are not sure if some of the joints will leak, and you normally need to fill the system with water, and if you need to solder again, if something is wrong, you need to drain the whole system. You need to dry it completely because there should not be any water in the system when soldering. And so I didn't want to do that. To put the water in before I'm sure that there's no any leakage from the joint. So I figured out a way by just connecting a pump and pumping the pressure into the pipe to the pressure which is in the system. So in my system is about 2 bars. I pump it up about to 4 bars, but because that's not perfect joint, it leaks tiny little bit, and it dropped the pressure a bit. But anyway, if you put that one on each joint and see if it's leaking, actually you can see it's not leaking at all. So that's the variant which you can save us some work. A few minutes after, no any leakage except this little one, and I tied it a bit, so that's just a compression fit, no problem with that. So a little secret behind this one, as you see there, the pressure is still there, didn't even drop. So if I open this one, oh, that's the hissing sound. I would actually prefer to release the sink rather than the pump. I just released the pressure on the top to 0. Now I remove this tape. There you go. And the secret is I used a needle for pumping balls and a standard compression fit, but instead of compression, what did I did? If you see that one, that's a valve from the ball. So the kit has a ball which you didn't use, so I just cut the ball, taken the valve, and there you go. So that's just a compression fit, but not without a compression ring. And that's the one, that's the valve. So just from a valve from both. Yeah, it's very important to say that you have proper air tightness. Doesn't mean that it would not leak within the next few hours or few days if you also saw the joints are not fine. And so you need to first take care that all the soldering process is fine. So there are a lot of videos in the internet you can find how to do that. Yeah, if you like it, thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye.